Mwiroreri wa Muthingi TV ni twacokereria tabarira ni Ngatha Ciitu thie na mbere na kwaraniria na ithuĩ kwa Muthingi TV. Iyo ni Facebook page Muthingi TV YouTube na Muthingi TV mwena wa X na mwena wa Instagram. Wabũini akorwo akiuria akorwo akiuria kana should a relationship be private kana public.
Let it be public. Let it be known that me, Wamboi and Kinovia, we are an item. Yeah, let it be known. Because the moment we make it private, I don't know speculations nyingi. Ama Wamboi ana date mtu wa mtu. Ama Wamboi akona mtu mzee. Ama Wamboi amefanya. But you see, the moment you keep it public, adoginya ni matenda ukuhe a lot, ni mageragia ukuhe a lot of respect. Todo, you see, you know, the generation we are in right now, modo koroga mogwa kawa ni deta wa boy. Ne danyi takino viene okoroe wakwa. It's a lot of, let me call it courage, because people right now I don't know to kanirie muno. You see, so me feel let it be public, let it be known that me and Kinovia we are an item, but it should again be public, but let no people know what we are doing. Ganeto thiri aga kugera ke ni atwerire ando. No. Let it be public, but let not people know what we are doing together.
For me, a relationship should be private. Yes, ni mwamenya data wa Kinovia, so what? That is none of your business.
People will keep asking you.
People will definitely talk whether you do the right or the wrong. So you mwenda weshiria the numbers, that's on you. As for me, I know the truth.
You are happy and you are happy. Yeah. It is all that matters. Yeah. You see, the moment it's public, the moment when it's public, people tend to kiria ni mageragia muno kwa wikati kwa gutida magikuria. By the way, uko single, ushayipatana watu wanakuza maswali, uko uko single, uko zile za sasa ni nini nyinyi? Who told you that I'm single? Ama muthiete event ukoria, by the way, mbona unakuanga single? Uko zile za I'm not single, I'm having someone. But now because you've never even made it official that you're dating someone, they always ask you, why you single?
You know, for making it official, ati nidirade timodole, it's not a must ikue ati nimemwanika nimempost kwa social media. I can tell you guys, mwake joria those quizzes. Are you single? Are you dating someone? Nagamo shokeria comfortably. Yes, I'm dating someone. No ruma magere, maunema akwa. Irishi nywe data isha mureda kumenya
private people.
No.
You private people. No. You private people. You make your nimukoro na ajia kwenda kuona ni kuonania mradi tio. That's why unapatanga a single people, I mean private people will always angania to posteire guoko. For what? Angania to posteire ati amoko for what?
Ndakienda gukimuonia atirere muragitida mukijuria de single niki. That's the hand of my man.
Post your mtu tukwambie
murenda kumuona
huyo Kinovia alikuwa na
nataka kumuona mharibu relationship yetu kwa nini?
Atirere
na
akoro private kana public rim akono waguthie. We agree on that. We agree on that. The moment you post Kinovia kero guy kwani hawa chana njeri ugaikaro we oya kwani mulikuwa na njeri. But the moment you private angane to post ile guoko, if you can't post someone then wachai kae. If you can't make it to people that you are, if you can't call you are not, if you can't tell people that I'm dating Kinovia, why you together basi? Why are you together? Make it known. You're proud of him, right?
Definitely.
Why are you keeping him private basi?
Because I love my things being private. Near my intention yes,
but when he had to break you, you come posting for us how men are career.
Yeah, they're trash, but you won't know that trash.
Oh God.
Yeah, he's there hidden. So really, keep your relationships private. People don't have to know everything you are doing. People don't have to know who you are dating. It's not on them.
Like you don't menya terere. Ni deta boy ni nyonake no. But they don't know nina Kinovia what are we neke turakoria.
Ona mugekuragia
the moment twatigana re na tutigane machuali, people be like, oh by the way walikuwa na to serve couple goals. By then nilikuwa napenda venye Wamboi alikuwa na treat Kinovia. Nilikuwa napenda venye Kinovia alikuwa anaongelesha Wamboi. Nilikuwa napenda venye Wamboi alikuwa anafungulia. You see for one thing and I love about being
private my friend Wamboi niate. That you go in private and heal in private. You guys won't know anything.
But you still come for us how they are, you tell us they are.
If at all I never showed you the hand or the anything at all, my friend, you won't know. Wakodia go posteire guokori na wakodia tidagi kwira I'm dating de ukamenyera ko kandira heartbreak I'll heal. in private na thayo muingi muno.
But you see, the moment one make public, a lot of people shy off from utida magikwira ngang'anie kaga. They'll be like, let us give them a chance tunole magwe. But the moment ati sasa umeyeka private go tupostagire guoko ne tupostire agathogithia ati ni mumachire outfit agaro irato ni mumachire. If you can post something, then don't even post that.
Wauga mundu wa guthini wa guthie. So na ingego post hata nisipo kupost na umpost my friend. Ifata utakatiwa wambo. Hata ukiwa na huyo mwanaume. Mimi
wangu nitamposti, mtajua. If I'm dating fulani, I'll post you, I'll spoil you. People will know that you and me. This is item.
My friend, if I'm dating you, no one will know. It's between us.
The
public doesn't have to know.
Why do you have to hide them like they're hard drugs?
I'm not hiding you like hard drugs. I just love my things zikiwa private. So if I told you are part of me, get used to that privacy.
Then you're part of me, you're part of my social media, you'll help me grow, But then how do you take these couples, especially, at you're not married, YouTube channel. How do you take that?
I think not to move you in a positive way and in a negative way at the same time. Dude, I don't know if it's okay to mention names, but we won't mention names. But the good thing about Higura YouTube channel na my boyfriend, it's okay and talk grow and we'll make money. But at the end of it all, talk it's going to be bitter, bad, drama. Aga neidrageirwo kuria na YouTube channel
ona like hiroka ni undu andu aitu
ona content irare yakwa ni ndirakumaketa na kuja. It gets messy, but at the same time it's good, it's okay, it's growth. At least ni murona ni atirere mwina boyfriend usho waku, you are thinking you're doing something.
Me feel tukiuka ni commit uhoro wegi that we can do things that are joint. Please like tuona ni like we have like took on assurance that this is going for life. Because the moment walk could lose, especially when you come at mulikuwa mnaenda angane mrona here do this our morning routine. Anga this is how we take our lunch. Anga this is how we if it's posting you bad than any on Monday I want to celebrate this man, it's okay because you can delete those posts.
I think at the same time, yes, it's okay to higura YouTube channel with your boyfriend or your girlfriend, but you ama with your girlfriend. My bad. No really. No wega mugakoro at least niwe no ukiuga you ni wana mudo shate you will go for life. But things happen. Shit happens on the way. Happens. But then I think you can get a lawyer. See, it's joint. Muka agree. This is what will happen if at all something happens on the way.
But I always feel like maybe nitoa ikoro toga terere nitoa ikarania na toa igora YouTube channel. Me, I always feel like I'm a else advocate for. Why don't you open your channel? I open mine. Tukoranie hamwe. E channel yaku igokora re yakwa no irakora. We be doing things together like this is our morning routine. You post on yours, I post on mine. Your numbers are not my numbers. We are helping each other. We have an investment. Even wagitigirwo na channel yaku ira ina ndogiri igana rimwe ona atigirwo na channel yake ina ndogiri magana matatu because the moment tuoka kuhingura ati ni tuhingura joint ni akorwo maybe kona subscribers tagiri magana matano. You see, we lose it at the end of the day. Could be one of you has to pay nigetha uyo agitikira ukoro because oyo arauga atiriri ata mimi nilichangia ona akauga ata mimi views nilichangia. So wakora there's a lot of difficulty gukorwo magime separate. So ule me think that higura yaku ikwero ni investment yaku na ndeta boy higura yako ikwero investment yako. You'll help me market mine, I'll help you market yours.
Yeah, I think that would also be a great idea if at all. No you are thinking ti wagwa mwishiriria wa mundu uri ongi hari andu mona atirere isho igere wena 1000 ama 100,000 subscribers. I have 300,000 subscribers. Imagine ko yare mwere etutigire na 500 half a million subscribers. So that's why most people choose makorie mwe to ni monaga like twabia nige kugayukana ri
Now, do you feel like the moment there's a kind there's a separation, do you feel like a woman suffers a lot in the separation?
Definitely. A woman will always suffer. Dimenya aneke githia na mbere tondu riu ona mungitigana na mundu koraga we niwe uraumia. Like ugakora ona riu wakona ta YouTube channel we ori niwe wathi nayo we watigwo guo, you're just
because
there left with the name,
because definitely the society expects that because you are the head when we okire na idea. And then again I feel like a woman suffers.
It's a bit unfair because we don't know toko niere ona ni dokire na idea.
Because sometimes I feel like most of the time a woman suffers. You find like maybe in that relationship you are putting a lot of effort. Now women, we tend to forget ourselves when we get in a relationship. Because we tend to forget that on I do not the moment you have a life. Tell me, most women let me call it a serious relationship. Arataria mai nao tene bado mario nao thaici. Okoraga arataria okoragwo nao ni arioka ko make after being in that relationship. Na ti arata makoe as your past friends. Ni okoraga women, we tend to lose a lot about ourselves. Ni okoraga ginya riu ni uratirika family yaku tondu ni have to focus because you want to build this relationship. You need it to work. You see, the moment the wakora, you have lost your friends, you've lost maybe your family, you've lost maybe a lot of investment, because a lot of men tend to say, I provide for you. And I mean you can there are no early mornings anymore. The soft life. So the moment the moment it brings a lot of backlash because in as much as it support you, it's not like the same amount of cash you're getting is the same amount you get even after leaving. So maybe you have to go back to a very small
you
life.
have to start from scratch. You had nothing on your name. You're just there.
May feel like
just
the
being
moment,
a pretty housewife.
The moment we start saying that now we are dating, now we're getting in a relationship, please, as you're growing, make sure that I'm growing too. No, maybe the tomenya na itali wera nditamwire tutali wera make an effort ya kujuria terere by the way wathomagira ki
kana wabuyugika ati
exactly aiko we na effort agiko mundu meyo ena uhoti wa ukwigira bia I mean wa ukwigira wera yes zimano akwigira na bia anyway aiko mundu yo ena uhoti wa ukwigira wera make your woman grow. Alafu men, I always advocate invest in your woman. Men, invest in your woman, because if you don't invest in your woman, you see how you treat me when I had none. It's the same exact way
I will
treat you when
you have
because if you used to tell me like maybe Justina kazi used to mistreat me, how do you expect that ukipoteza kazi yako I'll stay? If you talk me, if you agikona ojalerie oru just because direto ndirakwira heri, how do you expect that mimi nitakuja nikwambie nego kagwira atirere hey utonu waruzi wera wakuri rureke ngurere no ulikuwa niangelesha vibaya nayo
it's so sad tondu maundu maya mekuo
it's there. Men, make sure that the moment you're growing te ukura weika ne tokura ni thuothe such that ona kiundu kingi kagutaraire ne ngota kuhumbira ki thoni
na rume. Please don't let your wives atimatuike no housewives. It's not okay. Mahinda mau ne mahituke twi maundu-ini mangi meru, so make sure you get your wife something they can do atige guikara nyumba.
To ginya mutumia akorwo atiri wira wake ni wa kugia mwana ni arerire. This woman after kugia mwana ni ikare 6 months ade mwandikire nani shoka wira. You see the getagwo haba na haba hujeza kibaba because modo yo nagia bia ari agikora muraikarania ri bia ciroka ku kwanyu na iroka gwaka muciĩ wanyu but now the moment wabikwira mutumia ngari aire mwana thiorere yo it's a bit nĩkoragwo ĩkĩrĩa mũno.
But do you know there are some men medaga ũguo atĩ rĩu tondũ nĩwagĩa mwana you have no nginya ũrere mwana ũcio atĩ ona akorwo akinyie mĩaka 3 rĩrĩa wagwĩtĩkĩrio ũrute wĩra na harĩ ũngĩ ũkwĩraga Wambui rĩu nĩwagĩa mwana definitely now you're going to be a housewife urere ciana ũcio nĩguo wĩra waku.
But what is the advantage of being a housewife?
Nothing.
I need to be a rich one though. Please give me money, pump me with money. Show me the skill.
Yeah, you will be a rich housewife, but at the end of the day for what? Yes, we na besha Wambui, no meshiria makure.
Ni makuderu because
ndurauma hau nja
ogokira uthabindo
wone afro cinema
wone TV ushoke nikome kwa holawa ushoke ninge hwaini wecirie kiria mukuria and the cycle continues. So ni ukoraga nginya ugicokereria ugioka kugutuka ukikuja kugutuka we mwenyewe ni wikoraga wo ikadatigite bururi wiko because unapatanga muthuri waku ni akwiraga atiriri hi na no emoto ni urabatirire gokarigwo nikio arauga because you don't know
ona umuragia atiriri kai mutuma mbeca cigana because you don't know.
No le the moment when urakorwo ni urahota gukorwo ugika kana ukorwo ukihota gwikira maundu maku ni ukoragwo ukihota gwika atia ni ukoragwo nginya we mwenyewe ni hotaga gwifanga. You see mpaka there's always that name ya ni kuko na preparation ya riri no na the moment ni ndathie wira mundu akwa ni athie wira maybe I'm earning my 20,000 he's earning his 80,000 ni tuhota gwikara thi tukauga atiriri hi tukatara twina 80 tocia mutumia ni hata ukora rere 80 ni hata kumifangira twendi yakwa ri ni agukuboost yakwa ni haria waremererwo kagwikigo. So the moment wakorwo ikara nyumba ri ona we gubanga mbia ri it's hard because the we uraikara ugo geciria uria watigite bururi ukiingira nyumba iyo ti bururi
ati noguo ri no tiguo ri.
Yes no I think for men it's always advisable you just make sure that you need your woman.
Empower your woman.
Yeah. Because no matter ukimintroduce kwa best wako nikoragwo na ile ya wow. This
bibi yangu anafanyanga kazi Safaricom mama we. Ini
no mathane magethira. Haya murarari wa Muthingi TV ngatho cia mwanya niwe gukorwo kana ni gutwarithania na ithui ithaine riu tucokeria ngatho tucemanie juma yukite na maundu maingi na no ikorwo gututigira ndumiriri yaku ukorwo gitira hihi watirira we mwena uriko na ningi ni mariko waikorwo ugithoma akuma makiria kuma kuri mbeo njethi na muthie na mbere ukorwo mukimenyerera nie guhingira hau nie ngetika Wambui wajao na nie ngetwa Bill hanya guthie nginya kiumia giukite. Bye bye.